Hey guys!
Hi.
So today I will be recreating a look that I did for a drag show yesterday that I went to right here. It's been a really fun experience having been able to join the drag queen community. And yeah, without further ado, I just hate doing long intros, so let's just jump right into it. First, let me tie my hair up because it is hot as hell in this weather. And my boyfriend watching TV outside and I don't have a mic. So I have to, close the door. There's no fan in here in the bathroom. So there might be a chance of me dying later, so.
Yes.
I know it looks funny right now, but I mean, it has to do, right? Anyway, so as per usual, I will be skipping the part where I do a primer, concealer, foundation, contour, everything. And then I will move on to the focus of the look, which is the eye area. So, BRB. Hey guys, I'm back. So I did everything off camera. I also did my brows and now I'm setting my face. But like I said in the last video, I will be doing my eyes first and then contour and highlight and everything else later. So for today's look, I will be using the same old BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But before I put eyeshadow on my face, I will go ahead and use tape in this area of my eye just to create that sharp look again. The last video I said I use a card, but in this video I will be using tape because I realized that tape gives me a more precision eye look, if that makes sense. So I will go ahead and put tape on my face and we will continue. Okay, so I'm back. I look a little freaky, am I? But okay, so for my first shade, I will be going in with this yellow shade right here, and I will put it on my crease just to create that effect, as per the last video. Okay, I'm done. This yellow looks pretty, so I'm not mad about it. So moving on with the next shade, I will be using this, magenta dark violet-y. I will be using this shade right here and I will pack it right under the yellow. Ooh, look at that, honey, yes. Okay, I'm not mad about this. I mean, obviously I recreated that look, so I know I'm not mad about it. But anywho, cut my crease in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, so this is Valerie editing, and I just want to let you guys know that after this part, I went out to have lunch and then I continued filming without pressing the play button. So, anywho, let's just fast forward this and moving on.
Okay, my face is contoured and now before I put on blush, actually I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Before I put on blush, I will put on lipstick. So I kind of want to see how, like Nikki tutorial said, I kind of want to see how intense my face is, and then I can choose the appropriate blush colors. So today I will be using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in shade 50 Voyager. And I love this specific Maybelline lipstick formula because even though it's a little sticky, if that makes sense, but it lasted for a minute. Like I remember, let me finish before I put on lipstick. I remember that when I put this lipstick on and I eat, I drink, I work, at the end of the day, like the color is still there. Anyway, let me just put it on right here. Ooh. who am I kidding? I already know this is gonna work. I haven't used this lipstick in a while and I'm kind of missing it. Ooh, yes, Liz. I haven't used this lipstick in a while and it makes me feel like a really bad bitch right now. Okay, so for blush, I will be using the blush neutrals from BH Cosmetic again. Let me just put this damn mirror down. I think that a little bit of a red moment, red orangey, orangey red moment, like a peach even maybe, blush moment would work. So let me go in with the blush brush and I would dip in this shade right here and just kind of go for, instead of going for an intense blush moment that I did in the last video, I'm just gonna do a normal blush today. So let me just, like normally, with mirror again. So normally I would do the whole like thing, right? But today I'm just feeling a little bit of a subtle moment for the blush. So I would just do a normal, like how you see other people do with the blush. So you see that was the cheeks, hair, stop it. So that was the cheeks, and just put it right there. It brings you back to life immediately. So it looks like that. So, oh, it kind of enhanced my contour a little bit. Yes. Yes. Okay, let me finish this blush. There we go. Let me finish the other side. So again, smile, apples to the cheeks, apples, up, apples, up. That's a tip from Mickey tutorials, by the way. Okay, blush is done. Now, a lot of people would say that, bitch, where's your eyeliner? Well, to be completely honest, I'm still not good at putting on liners, and I'm terrified to fuck up my makeup look today because I have so many errands to do. So I'm just gonna skip my eyeliner today and maybe do it a different day. So you can command me all you want, but I'm not putting eyeliners on today, honey. Anywho, for my absolutely favorite palette, and I will be using the same Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette from BH Cosmetic. And let me get my brush. Okay, it's everything like it's so messy. I need a bigger room. Okay, let me just get my highlighting brush. And I would dip in the glow shade from my nose first because in the last video I tried it and it turned my nose into a freaking lighthouse and I lived for it. So just the nose right here, ever so slightly. You want a little subtle moment with highlights, which is, you know, never enough highlight. So let me just do that. You see that? Oh! I can, oh my, like I can, oh my god, I'm still gagging at how blinding that is. I mean, like, look at that! Oh my god, oh my god. Now, what I like to do is I put a little bit highlighter on top here as well to kind of like kind of create a triangle, like here, 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 and just kind of put it right there. I know this is weird, but like you don't have to do this obviously, but like it's just like for personal preference. Do you see that? Oh, yes, glass skin. Wait a little more up top here, dragging it down a bit, and oh, okay. So let me. Okay, this radiance shade. I've never tried this. I'm tempted to try. My fingers are clean. Let me just do a quick 1, 2. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm excited. So for my cheeks, I'll be using that radiance shade. Let's give it a little bit 1, 2, knock it off, and just hair. Can you please stop and just. Oh, I might not even need a second layer for this shade. It's like, oh, girl. Oh, oh, oh my. Oh my god. Like, do you see this? Oh my god, I thought the glow shade is already intense. I'm like, and you thought this is acting? No, I'm like I said, I've never tried the radiant shade before. So I'm excited and now putting it on. And this is just like one layer. Like with the ethereal shade that I did the last video, I kind of have to put on 2 layers, but like, okay, BH Cosmetic, you better chill, honey. I'm like, oh, look at that. Okay, where is that? There we go. Okay, oh my god, I'm still gagging at this shade. I'm like, oh. Okay, you ready? I'm living. Okay, so for my eyebrows area, this Allure shade I've also never tried before. Let's swatch it right here. Do you see that? Ooh, oh my god. It's kind of like, yeah, this is kind of like a champagne shade. How do I feel about that? It is blinding, but it doesn't have the warmth that I like. So I would just be going in with the radiance shade again and put it right like here, like you see all baby gurus just. You see that? Oh, okay, I'm living with this glass skin moment. I'm like, yes. Yes. There we go. I'm like, ooh, girl. Okay, so for my Cupid's bow, I'll be going in with a glow shade again. I'll be using my finger instead, actually. You know what? Yeah, I'll be going with the brush. So here, with this Anastasia, oh my god, Beverly Hills brush, I will use this side of the brush, just do a little quick 1, 2, knock it off, and just put it right on top of my Cupid's bow. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so blinding, like I'm deceased. Oh, I'm living for this. I'm like, yes. Okay, so this look basically is complete. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm feeling a little tired, so again, if I don't sound like very enthusiastic or as like giggly happy as my last video, I apologize. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know that what you think about this makeup look, and let me know what did I do right, what did I do wrong. Give me some tips. If you give me hate comments, I'm just gonna say